Ugly Love by Colleen Hoover, an emotional exploration of imperfect love. Colleen Hoover's novel Ugly Love is a heart-wrenching exploration of love, loss, and the complexities of human relationships. This compelling narrative delves into the raw and often painful aspects of love, illustrating how beauty and ugliness can coexist in a relationship. With its poignant storytelling and deeply flawed characters, Ugly Love captivates readers, making it a favorite in contemporary romance literature. Plot summary. Ugly Love unfolds through the dual perspectives of Tate Collins and Miles Archer. Tate, a nursing student, moves in with her brother in San Francisco to pursue her career. She quickly meets Miles, an airline pilot and her brother's best friend. From their first encounter, the chemistry between Tate and Miles is undeniable, yet Miles is emotionally unavailable due to his tragic past. The narrative alternates between the present, where Tate and Miles navigate their complicated relationship, and the past, revealing Miles's heartbreaking backstory. 6 years earlier, Miles experienced profound love and devastating loss with Rachel, a pivotal chapter that shaped his reluctance to embrace love again. Tate and Miles agree to a purely physical relationship, with 2 rules: never ask about the past, and don't expect a future. However, as their connection deepens, these rules become increasingly difficult to uphold. Tate begins to fall for Miles despite his emotional barriers, while Miles battles his own demons, torn between the shadow of his past and the possibility of a new beginning. Character analysis. Tate Collins. Tate is portrayed as a strong yet vulnerable character. Her compassion and patience are evident as she navigates her relationship with Miles. Despite the emotional pain she endures, Tate's resilience and determination to understand Miles illustrate her depth and strength. Miles Archer. Miles is a complex character, deeply scarred by his past. His reluctance to embrace love stems from a traumatic event that left him emotionally crippled. Hoover masterfully depicts Miles's internal struggle, capturing his vulnerability and the gradual unraveling of his tightly held defenses. Rachel. Although not a central character in the present narrative, Rachel's influence on Miles is profound. Her presence in the flashbacks reveals the intensity of their past relationship and the tragedy that ultimately defined Miles's emotional state. Themes and learnings. The complexity of love. Ugly Love delves into the intricacies of love, highlighting its capacity to be both beautiful and painful. Hoover emphasizes that love is not always straightforward and that the imperfections in a relationship can make it all the more real and impactful. Healing and redemption. A major theme in the novel is the journey of healing and redemption. Miles's path to overcoming his past and opening himself to love again is a testament to the power of forgiveness and personal growth. The narrative suggests that healing is possible, even from the deepest wounds, when one is willing to confront their pain and embrace change. Vulnerability and trust. Trust is a recurring theme, as both Tate and Miles grapple with their fears and insecurities. The novel illustrates that vulnerability is essential for genuine connection, and that trust is built through patience and understanding. The impact of past trauma. Miles's reluctance to open his heart is rooted in past trauma, highlighting how unresolved issues can affect present relationships. Ugly Love underscores the importance of addressing past pain to move forward and build a healthy, loving relationship. Lessons from Ugly Love. Acceptance of imperfection. One of the key takeaways from Ugly Love is the acceptance of imperfection in love. The novel teaches that love is not always ideal or easy, but it is the imperfections that make it genuine and worthwhile. Embracing emotional vulnerability. The story encourages readers to embrace emotional vulnerability as a strength, not. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Also hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on a journey of knowledge together.